Today we are going to be making a caramel apple tea. For your ingredients, you will need some black loose leaf tea, or you can use tea bags, some cloudy apple juice, my recipe of caramel sauce. If you want to learn how to make this, then you can click the link below in my description. Whoa, okay. It's gonna be a tough one today. And of course, some cinnamon. That's about a half a teaspoon there as well. All right, let's get going. All right, I went ahead and brewed my tea, and with black tea, you need to brew it in boiling water. I steeped it for about 5 minutes as well. Now, if you don't know how to brew tea, I did a video on it a few weeks ago. Just click the link in my description and you can see how I did it. All right, now we're gonna put everything into our blender, starting with your black tea, followed by your apple juice. Here I'm using about 1/4 cup. About a teaspoon of my caramel sauce. And last but not least, cinnamon. All right, let's go ahead and blend all this up. All right, so I blended all that up. Now, let's take a look. Ooh, see all that steam. All right. Perfect. There you have it. Your caramel apple tea. Wow, it's like apple pie in a cup. Anyway, until next time, see you later.